Hello. I am live. Hello. How are you all doing? Good. Just want to. What time is it now? 9 o'clock. My own location is 9 o'clock. Yeah. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening, depending on your own location. I hope you are all doing good. Perfect. I am doing fine. So I don't know what is wrong with our people, Umu Igbo. I just don't understand why we cannot wake up, why we cannot help ourselves, why we cannot do something for ourselves, for our freedom, because it is in our hand. It is in your hand. I'm not understanding what is going on with us, Umuiwo. Why are we the way we are? We are not like this before. What has happened to us? What has really happened to us that we cannot be able to unite together as one people and liberate ourselves and speak with one voice and be free? Why? Because we are all selfish. All we care is about me. We don't care about our people that are suffering, our people that are being killed every day. We do not care about our people welfare. All we care about is ourselves. It's all about me. That is what is going, that is what is destroying us. That is why we are where we are, Ndi Igbo, Umu Igbo. When we start to, start loving ourselves, when we start seeing ourselves, value our neighbor, our brothers and sisters, when we start to see love, caring between ourselves, our freedom will be near. It's everything is all about me. I want to be in charge. I want to be in control. I want to be the one that they are going to listen to. They're going to obey. This is not how things are done. This is not how things are done in other places, not in the Western world. You have to respect people. You have to value people. You have to listen to people. Um, are we going to continue this way we are? Are we going to continue the way we are doing things? Are we going to continue fighting and quarreling and talking rubbish and talking trash online? Are we going to continue to be adamant and continue to say we don't care? These people are really out to destroy us if we are not careful. That our Chukwu Ekekerowa will not let it happen. He still loves us. He loves Ndi Igbo. He still loves his children. He still cares. Chukwu Igbo for Ainanya. Chukwu Igbo still loves us. Chukwu Igbo still cares for us. What are we doing to ourselves? Look at our politicians. They do not care about their own people. All they care about is the money they are going to get from Nigerian politicians, from Nigeria. Look at recently, they went to, is it the Nigeria, in the senators, to go and vote, House of Rep, to go and vote for Fulani, or about concerning what did they say they even went there to vote for? Our own people, our own Igbo politicians could not even vote, nothing. But the Yorubas voted and said that will not happen. Then the Fulanis, we are saying we have to put this in place. We don't care. And they say Nigeria is a secular country. We shouldn't put that in place. You can't force people to accept you. You can't force people to accept whatever you want to impose on them, because they want to put in, did they say Sharia law or whatever? So what are you even doing about all this? Are we going to stay there, continue to fight each other, and then let these people continue to kill and take our land, our God-given land, the land that we are blessed with, the blessed land, Biafra, and Igbo? Are we going to continue to be saying that we don't care, we don't want to know? Okay, why can't we even develop our own place? Why can't we develop an Igbo? We have people that they are well able. They have this money. They can bring it. They can contribute. They can contribute and they can develop our land. Why is it that none of them is doing anything? Somebody's calling, I don't want to answer. I heard one guy, Mazidibia. You know, you guys will know him. He's shouting and saying he wants a research center where our people can go and be researching, because that is how other countries develop their own. The youth have something to do. When the youth have something doing, crime will reduce. When the youth have something something to do, crime will reduce. Read this one again. You're talking senseless, ma. What is wrong with this person? Must you come here to talk rubbish? I'm going to block you because I don't take rubbish from anybody. Do you hear me? If you come to my place and talk rubbish, I block you. I don't give a damn. And I block you, you can't come to me, you can't view me again. So, well, I heard him talking about Mazidibia, saying that he wants the research center for our youth in Igbo land. Up to now, nobody has ever contributed. People are not contributing. We have people that are billionaires that can give him that money. I wish I have that money. I wish I have it. If I have that money, I would have given it to him. Because that is exactly what we need in Igbo land. We need to develop Igbo land. We need research centers. We need all these things. Even as we are fighting for freedom, we need these things. These are the things we need, so that our youth will stop going into crime. Our youth will stop. When I watched some of them, what they are doing to themselves, I cried. I do cry. I do cry. It's so painful. It's so painful to see how our youth are lavishing. It's so painful to see how they're destroying themselves with taking all these things they call mini halves, all this ogu. It's so painful for us to see our youth lavishing. Ndị Igbo, ụmụ nwoke Igbo na-emebi. If we can develop something, if we can have a place like farming, a place like the research center, a place like this, all this employment, if we can have it in an Igbo and or let them have something doing, they won't be going about smoking. They won't be going about taking all these drugs. They won't be going about killing people, destroying people. They won't be going about doing all manner of evil they are doing. They won't be doing it. At least crime will reduce. I am telling you. Good evening, my dear. They won't be doing, crime will reduce. But when they have nothing doing, they have no employment, there is no business, there is no company, nothing in an Igbo that is employing our youth so that they will have something to do. Some of them, when you tell them to go into farming, they are asking you, we need money. And not only that, sometimes they are afraid of the Fulanis coming to permit them in the farming places. If you have a security, if you have all this, let's say, if you have companies, if you have something doing, our youth. I watched a movie, I watched one. That one was saying how he went to Ghana. How much, because of how much he went to Ghana and permit somebody. Where is it again? How much? They are all destroying themselves because of 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. They are all destroying themselves. Our Igbo land has become a place where when you be crying, you cannot believe what you are seeing that is coming from our land. You can't believe it. We Igbo people, we don't used to do all this evil before. We don't. How can someone be where is that one? You see that boy, see them, they say they just have that, they just want to, they went to go and they kidnap people to just to get money. So so that they can, some of them say they are hungry, they don't have money to eat. That's why they're doing all manner of evil. Some of them, if you see them, the way they are smoking, that one they are smoking now, oh, you will just be crying. You will say, why, how did we turn? Most of our people, they have money. Why can't they bring the money home so that they can get employed? And maybe if they're employed, they can't. They say an idle man and devil workshop. We are the one doing this to ourselves. We are doing it to ourselves before. There is no love on Igbo people anymore as they used to love before. What is it? Why is it like that? Why can't we get those people that have this money? I wish Nachine stayed like this. I say, God, people that have a good heart, why would they not have excess money? Excess money, be able to use this money and support our people back home and provide in about tester. That one is closed. If there's something like that, our cloth in billions and be selling and be, look at Cambodia. Cambodia is there producing and be selling. Do you know how much they make for producing clothes to sell in or into the Western world? Which one? How do we cannot continue to wait for this wicked federal government. This federal government, they don't care about us. It is time for us to do something for ourselves. It is time we have to do it by ourselves. If there's somebody that is saying that I need money, this guy called a very dark man. Very dark man was asking for money. He opened a NGO. How much has he gotten now? Very dark man has gotten so much money to be able to support. But our own people will be saying, like somebody like Mazi Dibia, he was there saying he need money for a research center. I don't know whether our people were afraid maybe he's going to if they pay the money. But you are trusting very dark man to be giving him the money. But you can't trust your own brother Mazi Dibia to help him to develop a research center. But you are trusting very dark man, but you cannot trust your own brother. So why? Is it because he's a Dibia, and so you don't want to do it? But you trust very dark man. I believe that some of our Igbo people are contributing money and giving very dark man. But this guy called Mazi Dibia, he said, I know that he has a vision, and I know that his vision is going to help our people. He's going to employ our youth. If they are in a research center researching and they are getting paid, they are using their brain instead of them to be drinking and be smoking all this. What do they call that one now? They are buying that is so they can even buy it 100 naira, 100 naira or 200 naira. What is that called again? Urumiri. Instead of them to be smoking urumiri. Instead of them to be smoking, they will go into that research center and be researching before you know, they start developing things. This is how Western world did it. This is how they develop. This is how they put their children into all these places, into those research, and they started developing. This is how China did it. Why can't we? Somebody is crying and say, I need more, I need you guys to help me to do a research center. Or nobody has people that has money, they have not even said, okay, what is the research center for? We want to give us the plan, what it's all about. Then trust him and see if he's gonna squander the money. Then he said that, okay, if the money is given to him, he's not the one that is going to touch the money. That is a foundation. And he said the money is, he will even take you all to go and swear and or oath, so that you will be your mind will calm, that to know that he's not going to eat your money, that this money is made for this thing, this research center. That is what he said. And I've been hearing him shouting and saying it. And our people are not even saying, okay, if this is what we are going to do to make an Igbo great, why can't we do it? Or does it mean that all of us, we hate our people so much? We hate who we are. We don't want to move forward. If anybody has a plan, you are all given a VDM, that what they call very dark man money, to go and do a class, primary school or whatever. Is it not in the also? It's also the Ndi Igbos are also contributing money and be given to him. Why will you not contribute money for this research center that this our brother has been shouting and say he need this money for research center for our people to go and be researching, so that through that they have employment, they have something doing, they will be paying them and they'll be doing it. And if they are getting paid and be doing it, their mind will no longer be going into doing drugs. Their mind, they will focus on what they will. Then they are utilizing their brain. They are utilizing, because our people are very smart people. Our people are very, very smart. You will see an Igbo will be developing. I just don't know what is our problem. I don't know why we don't like ourselves at all. I don't know why we don't want to help ourselves at all. I don't know what is the problem with us. Why? I can't understand. I don't know why we are like this. We prefer to help people outside, but we cannot help our own. I don't know why it's like that. Look at Sunday Bohu. All of them, look at how the Yorubas gang up and team together, and they release Sunday Bohu. Look at Mazin Nnamdi Kanu now. Look at him. He's still there. Nobody is done. All these evil politicians, they don't care. All they care is about themselves. They don't care about him. Because now the lawyer said for 2 times now he have not seen Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and these politicians from APC, I don't know what they did. He now went to go there, and they allow him to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but they cannot allow the lawyer to see him. But they allow APC, because these are the people that doesn't want our leader Mazi to come out. These politicians in Southeast, they are the ones, they are our worst enemies. A politician in Southeast can even give that Mazi Dibia that money that is asking for research center. A politician can give it to him. Our Igbo brothers, they have it. Some of them have this money. They can give it to him and say, are you going to tell us that you are going to do this research center? You are going to produce this? Okay, this is this. Let's trust you. You have to swear an oath. If it is swear an oath, let them go and swear. If it's whatever, he's ready to do whatever they're asked to do. So that because these are the people that have concern for our people, for Ndi. No, nobody want to do it. Nobody want to help. Everybody is adamant. All we care is ourselves. Our land they are destroying it. We have no money. Our youth are languishing. They have nothing. Sometimes they will call you. You will help and help. You'll be so tired. You feel like, oh my God, you'll be so tired of their calls. You'll be so tired of you feel like, oh my, what is happening? Yeah. Why can't you guys do something for our youth? Why can't those people that have the money, that at least they have this money, go and, if it is that research center that this man is shouting about, give him the money. You have the money. Contribute. Let us contribute, and let us open this research center for our youth. We'll open it in all the states in our land. Open it in all the states in our land, and let them go there. Let our youth be going there to be researching about what to develop. This is how the other country did it, and they get away from poverty. But our people, they don't care. All they care is that everybody now about yeah. You have money, it's only you, because you have the money. You want to respect, you want everybody to bow for you, you want everybody to respect you. But for you to do something for your community, you cannot do. You guys hated yourself so much. For you to do something for your community, you can do. They are saying, did this say that our ancestors used to say? They say egobu manwoke. That thing, I don't believe in that thing anymore. That word they say, ego be, it worked for them then. It didn't work. It's not working now. Ego be has destroyed our people. Ego, the beauty is money is beauty. Money is money. Ego, money is beauty. It's like a beautiful. It's good for. How did I say it in English? Ego be I don't even know how to say it in English. Money, beauty of a man is money. To have money. Or is it a beauty of a man is to have money? Something like that. So ego bumawoke has make us like we have done to destroy ourselves, because all of us, some of them, most of our people, they are into evil to get this money. Once they get it, they don't have the heart to help others. Because when they remember what they went through to achieve this money, they don't want to help. This thing, this word Ego Bumanwoke has made us, our people, to do so many evil crime to get this money. And once they get it, they don't want to help. They have no love to help the community, because they remember how they get this money, how they suffer, or whatever price they have to pay for them to get this money. They don't want to help others. Ego Bumanwoke has destroyed our people to make them not to know that money, all this money we are acquiring in this world, we are going to leave them one day and leave. Ego Bumanwoke has made our people to know that money is everything. It has to be money, money, money. We don't care about humanity. We don't care about caring and loving others. We don't care. So tell me, Ego Bumanwoke, I want to have this money in an evil way. But you have it, you don't care about who you hurt to have this money. How do we get our land to be like others? Nobody, our life have been destroyed. They are destroying themselves with so many things. I wish I can see that video. Where is that video? You see this small boy saying they are going to be kidnapping people. Kidnapping people. Let me see if I can get it. What is it? Just to get money, because they just to get money. If they have something doing here in Europe, the crime rate is a little bit, because people are employed. If you're employed, you have to go to work. When you come back, you'll be tired, you stay at home. But if you're a lazy person, you have nothing. An idle man is a devil workshop, according to the thing. If you have nothing doing, your mind is telling you this is what you are going to do. Your mind will tell you once, you just ignore it. Yeah, the thing will come to you again. Before you know, you say, "Oh, I have to go and do this, because where else will I get money to support myself?" And before you know it, they are all going into crime, committing one crime or the other, doing all manner of evil just to get money to feed, or to get money to do something. I just don't understand what has come over us. A lot of people don't want to help ourselves. Our politicians are so evil, like they don't even care to help each other. All they care about is the money they want to grab, they want to grab, they want to grab. I think I need water. I need to drink water. I think I'm hot. All they care, where is that thing? Where is that? I want to play that. All the politicians care about is they want to grab, they want to grab, they want to grab. They Achohema. So how do we get in there? I want to open the window and get water. Yeah, I think I'm coming. Perfect. Sorry for disturbing. I have to go get water. I was really kind of hot, and the window I need to open. I think the heater is hot. So, as I'm saying, how do we get ourselves out of this thing that we are into? Are we going to continue to wait for our government to help us? The stupid government and politicians. It's time for Ndi Igbo to do something for themselves. It's time for them to start developing an Igbo. It's time for them to listen, to hear the cries of those that are back home and saying that I need help. I need help in this area. I want to equip this. I want to do this, to employ our youth. If somebody has a plan, listen to the person's plan. If somebody have a plan, listen to the plan and say, okay, we can support you to see how we can support you with this. Do you understand? We have to start it. If it's time of going to farming, we have to help our people to start farming. Also, farming will also help some of this youth, and they will stop this they will stop this criminality. At least they go to farm and come back. If there's a place, I believe there's still a place that is safe, that the Fulanis are not going to those areas. So how do we help ourselves? How do we help our people? How are we going to equip them? We have to. You don't say because somebody because that man is Dibia now, he's a Dibia. For that, you don't want to do something about. It's even better that at least you trust him. He said if it's for us to go and do swear an oath, he will do that so that you guys will make sure that the money you guys contributed is safe and sound. You are trusting a very dark man and giving money to. But this one, your own brother is shouting and shouting and saying, I need to do a research center for our youth. Research center for our youth. I need help. I need help. I need some amount to start it up. And also, he even mentioned about we said our history. We don't have a history. Igbo don't have a history. We lost our history. There are people that have had to do something for Igbo. He said we need also to start collecting data to know, so that we can know our history, so that we can have this data that our children can come up and start reading it. Because now this one is talking about this one is saying we are from Israel, this one is saying we are not from Israel. There are so many stories that we don't even know because we don't have a written one. And he's here talking about it. He's mentioning it. He said that these things are the things. He has a plan. These are the things that we need to be doing to help ourselves, so that we can have a history written down for us, for our children to read about our history. As we are now, we don't even know what the history, what about things about us. Some of us, we don't know. It is the one we are researching, the one we are asking questions, the one we are finding, because that is the one we know. Are we going to be a lost people forever? Are we going to start doing something for ourselves? If we continue to wait for Nigerian government, they will not ever, because we are fighting for freedom. You don't even know when your freedom will come. So is it not better you start something doing? Is it not better for Igbo to listen to whosoever that says he has a plan? Let us work with this person. Okay, let us see what the plan is all about. You want a research center? Okay, we are going to develop. We're going to give you the money for research center, and then monitor it and see how it goes. Because this research center that this young man is crying for is about our people. It is for our people. It is not for him. It is for our own Igbo to look at other countries. Look at India. Look at Japan. Look at China. Do you know how they become what they are today? Yeah. Do you know that we can even China? How did China start manufacturing what they are? They copied. They went and took what belongs to Nde, all this Nde camera. They will bring it and dismantle it. And our people are doing it. Our people can dismantle and look at it and say, hey, this thing you produce, this one, is that how we can do it? Because I trust our people, we are gifted. You say we can dismantle this, we can do. Then that is how you start copying and copy. Before you know it, you have your own. Then you start, before you know it, you start producing the masses and start shipping out, and you start selling outside. This is how China did it. What is our problem? Our men, our people are there. They can do well. All they want is people that can support them. They have visions. They have plans. People that can support them so it can be achieved. If we continue like this in Igbo, I don't know where we are heading to. Our people are going into crime. Our people, you go home, our people are going into crime, stealing and stealing and stealing and stealing. Our people are hungry. They go out to look for food. They're stealing from people. They're going about looking for what to eat, entering people's house, stealing. And the process of doing that, they can harm people. Some people are hungry. They will go to the market to steal. You guys will even go there and we go and kill them. Instead of you to go after your governor, that is president, politician, this one that you know that he's stealing for it, you go and permit the person. Do you guys even have sense? I just don't know. I don't understand what is going on with us. We don't want to achieve something in our life. I don't know if this is how we are going to continue as Igbo. I don't understand. We have to change our mindset. We have to change the way we behave. We have to change it. It's not right. You can't go be helping somebody outside and you leave your own. You can't leave your own people. You can't leave your own people at all. These are our people. If we continue like this, our Igbo will not, our Igbo will not be safe any longer. Igbo is not even safe now. Igbo is not safe. Igbo is not safe. So what are we going to do? We better sit up. We better sit up and do something. We better sit up and come together. Anything that we can do to establish factories, establish farmland, anything. We have to do it, because if we stay here, we are going to nothing. We don't even have farm. If the Fulani now take over their things, say they're not giving us food, everything. We don't have anything. Do we have? No, we don't. So I don't know. I don't want to last long. I'm always coming here to say, Umu Igbo, why did we hurt yourself? Why did you hurt yourself? Can you know you won't answer? Ask me Igwe Bike. I am Wezi Igwe. When you open a show, everybody want to be in charge. Everybody want to be, I want to be known. I want to be the one that will do it. It's not fair. Let us wake up. Let us wake up. Oh. Support whoever that say he has an idea, has a vision. If you can support very dark man with his vision, that is not your own, even he might not even bring those things that he's collecting money to your southeast. He might, because all the time, all of them, they don't even like us. Your own brother that say he wants money to go and do a research center, go and support him. Mazi Dibia said that brother is called Mazi Dibia. It's our own brother. He said he wants people to support him so that he can do a research center. Forget about that he's called Dibia. Because he's doing Dibia. You guys don't say Christian. Let us forget about this Christian and this thing. We have anything like Matthias. I'm supporting Matthias. Is not. I'm supporting him the way I can support, because I know that he's doing something for our people. He's doing something for our people. Those are our people that he's operating. Those are people that is operating. They are human beings. They are our people. You don't have to, because of somebody is a Christian or somebody is a Muslim or somebody is a, first love humanity first before anything. Religion should not divide us. Don't say because this person is a Dibia, because it's something Dibia, I don't want to be part of it. I don't want to give my money. You don't love your people. You don't love your people at all. If you love your people, it doesn't matter whether this person is a Christian, this person is a Muslim, this person is this. No, what comes first is humanity. You saw him that day. He went that day to one woman. That woman is not only a man. That woman is a Christian woman. But that day he saw that woman. That woman has children, 4 children. He's a widow. He doesn't have husband. And that woman has been respecting herself. She has been keeping herself, and she and her children are suffering. This man moved and said, no, this is our brother, this is our sister, this is our own. He moved out, he came out online and he started shouting and said, I need all of you to contribute, even any amount. Let us support this, our sister. Everybody, we say, I need money to support this sister. Everybody started contributing money. Everybody started contributing to give to that woman. At the end, he raised 1 million to give to that woman. That is what it's all about, love. Don't say because somebody is no longer a Christian or this, that you hate the person. It's not. You don't have that Christ. You don't have that love in you. The first, even their commandment to tell you, the Bible that you are reading, you say the greatest of all is love for one another. Ifunanya. The greatest of all commandments is to love one another. If you love one another, you have that compassion in you to help somebody in need. That is what it's all about. It's not about I'm a Christian, I'm a Muslim, I'm a this one. Let us put Muslim and Christian aside. We are all Omenana people. If we are helping tomorrow now, that hospital that Matthias built now, Matthias, one of your sister or your brother, we end up there. It's going to help him or her. You see, this is what it's all about humanity. We have to find a way to help our people, because our people are suffering. The crime rate is increasing every day in our land, because there's no job. You cannot keep giving them money. If they have something doing every month, every morning, they're out to go to their work and they are working. They say the lazy man is a devil's worship. If they're hardworking, they will come back home and they'll be tired. They won't think about what they're going, how they're going to go out to go rob somebody. At least they have hope that okay, I'm expecting money next month. My salary will be paid so time. They have hope. But some of them now they have no hope where the next meal is going to come. They have no hope. They have no hope. And so many of you have this money. You have this money to spend because but you don't want to spend it. You have this money to help our people. You don't want to help. You have this money to build factory. You have this money to build whatever that need to be built to employ people, but you don't have to do it. Why do you have it then? Why do you have the money? Just for your own to be for you to be answering Odogu. You are no longer Odogu. Odogu. Our man is not Odogu anymore. Udogu have a heart to help his people. You must have a heart to love your people. You must have a heart to love your own people. These are your people. Eh? If an Igbo gone now, if these people, if our land is gone, which land do we have? Which land do we have? Look at how our youth are being massacred every now and then. Look at how our youth are being dying of hunger every now and then. Is this good? Please. I am just here to say it that Mazi Dibia say he need help, he need money for a research center. So anyone that knows what to do to help him, any amount, do it, support. He said he need, how much did he even call? If he got this, if he has this research center, it's going to help our people. It's going to help our youth. We are going to be manufacturing things. Things are going to be happening from our land. Our land will not, people will, you see, things will, I'm telling you. So please, I am just here to say this to you all. We cannot keep like this. We cannot keep going this way. We cannot keep like this. Our people are hungry. Our people doesn't have anything doing. Most of the youth are hungry. An hungry man is a devil workshop. A lazy man, an angry man is not good for. The more our people are hungry, the more, even if we back home we travel, we are not safe because they will come and find something to steal. And the process they want to take from you. Why can't we do something for our youth, for our people back home? Why can't we do? If I don't mind if they say we will contributing money, I will be contributing. If it's something that I know that there's going to be accountability, I don't want to put my money where they will not be telling us that this money is gone. At least if I know that this money they're using it for something that will benefit our people, I will contribute. I will. To benefit our people. Ifunanya, ndị Igbo, love yourself. Love yourself. So far now, that very dark man has raised how much for his NGO? But our brother Mazi Dibia has been crying that he need money to support he need money to build a research center for our youth, and up to now he has not gotten enough to start it. Let us think home. Let us think home. Oh, if there's anything you can do for us to get that, for him to get that research center, you better start doing it so that we can have this research center. It's going to benefit our youth. It's for our people, our land. It's not for anything. We need to be free, but there's a roadmap you have to do to get your freedom. If you don't have it in place, it's going to be difficult. I'm saying it all. Yeah. We need our people to be equipped and do something. I am telling you, we don't have to leave them. The more we leave them, the more our land is being destroyed. The more they are stealing, the more they are going into crime, the more they are committing more havoc, more crime. The crime rate is high. It's getting more higher in our land, and that has to be reduced. How will it be reduced? By employing them to do something, by having something company, having things for them that will keep them busy, so that they will stop, or so that this crime rate will reduce. If not, it's not going to help us. I have said my own. Look at those wicked politicians we have in our land. They don't care about anybody. The money they are getting from Nigeria, they can't even use it for nothing. All the money they are getting is for themselves. But for all of them, it shall never be well with them. Thank you. And please share this program and like it too. I'm done. I don't want to go far. Don't want to go too long. Thank you and good night. Love you all. Bye. Umu Igbo, tetanu n'ụla. Umu Igbo, wake up. Umu Igbo, wake up. Wake up. Wake up.